Want to speak real Spanish from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at SpanishPod101.com.
Hello everyone, my name is Rosa and this is Spanish Weekly Words, and I'm about to discover what the theme for this week is. It is food. I like this theme. The first word is arroz, which means rice. Me encanta el arroz blanco. I love white rice. Pan, which means bread. Prefiero el pan integral. I prefer whole wheat bread. Pastel, which means cake. Mi preferido es el pastel de manzana. My favorite is apple cake. I think that I like sweets too much. Maybe. Trigo, wheat. La harina se hace con trigo. Flour is made with wheat, normally. Marisco, which means seafood. Galicia es conocida por su marisco. Galicia is known for its seafood. And this is the end. I hope you've learned something useful and also hope to see you next week. Bye! Hello everyone, my name is Rosa and this is Spanish Weekly Words, and I'm about to discover what the theme for this week is. It is drinks. The first word is café, which means coffee. Prefiero el café con leche. I prefer coffee with milk. Leche, which means milk. Últimamente, mucha gente bebe leche de almendras. Lately, a lot of people drink almond milk. The next word is refresco, which means soda. Me gusta beber un refresco cuando estoy en el cine. When I'm in the cinema, I like to drink soda. Té, which means tea. El otro día compré té de fresas con champán. The other day, I bought tea of strawberries with champagne. Very nice. Agua, which means water. Dicen que deberías tomar más de 2 litros de agua al día. They say that you should drink more than 2 liters of water each day. And this is the end. I hope you learned something useful and also hope to see you next week. Bye! Hello everyone, my name is Rosa and this is Spanish Weekly Words, and I'm about to discover what the theme for this week is. It is vegetables. The first one is berenjena, which means eggplant. Mi madre hace unas berenjenas fritas con miel riquísimas. My mother makes very delicious fried eggplants with honey. Champiñón, which means mushroom. Puedes cocinar los champiñones en el microondas. You can cook your mushrooms in the microwave. They taste very good. Espinacas means spinach. Me encantan las espinacas con bechamel. I love spinach with bechamel. This sauce made with flour and milk. Lechuga, lettuce. La lechuga se había podrido. The lettuce have rotten. Pimiento, bell pepper. Tomaré un bocadillo con pimientos asados. I'll take a sandwich with roasted bell peppers. And this is the end. I hope you learned something today. Hope you're eating enough vegetables, and yeah, if you're not, you should change that. And hope to see you next week. Bye!
Hi everyone, I'm Rosa and today we'll be talking about 10 Spanish dishes, so let's start. Arroz negro, black rice. Arroz negro, which is black rice. This is made with squid ink. It doesn't look very yummy, but it tasted good. I like it. El arroz negro me ensució los dientes. Black rice stained my teeth. Chorizo, which is chorizo. It's like a kind of sausage, but they are normally like reddish. Yeah, they put like spices in it. You normally have it fried. Yeah, it's very typical in Spain. Me gusta comer chorizo con pan. I like eating chorizo with bread. Cocido, which is cocido. Cocido, it's like a kind of a stew made with normally garbanzo beans, some vegetables, some meat also. It's one of the dishes you have the most during the winter. Cuando era pequeña no me gustaba el cocido. When I was a child, I didn't like the cocido. Fabada asturiana, which is fabada asturiana. This is like very hearty bean stew. and it normally has also like bacon, chorizo, also like black pudding. It's very hearty, like you get so full eating that. And it's typical from Asturias, so the north of Spain. En la fabada asturiana utilizan judías blancas. They use white beans in the fabada asturiana. Gazpacho, which is gazpacho. Gazpacho, it's a tomato soup, very typical from the southern part of Spain. Apart from tomatoes, it can also have like cucumber, some garlic, olive oil, salt. Very healthy. Yeah, it's really like refreshing, so like everyone has it during the summer. Hace mucho calor y me apetece un vaso de gazpacho. It is very hot and I'd like a glass of gazpacho. Jamón ibérico, Iberian ham. Jamón ibérico, which is Iberian ham, is a type of cured ham, very famous in Spain. In a lot of like traditional Spanish restaurants, they have them like hanging from the ceiling. I don't really like ham, so going to these kind of places isn't really pleasant to me. Everyone except for me loves it, and it's kind of expensive. Yeah, it's like a kind of luxury. Pidieron un plato de jamón ibérico y queso. They ordered a plate of Iberian ham and cheese. Patatas bravas, which are patatas bravas. Patatas bravas. They are like fried potatoes with a spicy sauce. Yeah, it's orangey, and they are very good. I like them. Como tapa, me pedí unas patatas bravas. I ordered patatas bravas as a tapa. Pulpo a la gallega, Galician octopus. Pulpo a la gallega, which is Galician octopus. So yeah, this is very traditional from Galicia. They cut the octopus like thinly. They put like some oil and paprika also. Si no preparas bien el pulpo a la gallega, puede estar muy duro. If you don't prepare the Galician octopus well, it can be very hard. Tortilla de patatas, Spanish omelette. So this is made from eggs basically, potatoes and onion. So you can take that out if you don't like them. It's a very simple dish, but I love it. We take it, for example, if we are doing a picnic or something, we might take like sandwiches with Spanish omelette inside. I love it. Prefiero la tortilla de patatas con cebolla. I prefer the Spanish omelette with onion. Arroz con leche, rice with milk. Arroz con leche, which could be translated as rice with milk. It's a kind of rice pudding, but a bit more soupy maybe. Like it's not very compact. Basically it's rice, milk, some cinnamon, sugar, and it's really good. Like when I was a child, I always ordered that as a dessert. Mi abuela solía hacerme arroz con leche. My grandmother used to prepare rice with milk for me. So this is the end of today's 10 Spanish dishes. I hope you learned something, and I hope you get to try some of these dishes. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye! Jabón.
Hi everyone, my name is Rosa and this is Spanish Weekly Words, and I'm about to discover what the theme for this week is. And it is tableware. Let's see what the first word is. And it is cazo, which means ladle. Usa el cazo para echar la sopa. Use the ladle to pour the soup. Plato, which means plate. Le compré un plato con un dibujo de un león. I bought him a plate with a drawing of a lion. Taza, cup. Quiero una taza bonita para tomar el té. I want a pretty cup to drink tea. Tetera, teapot. Aunque me gusta mucho el té, no tengo tetera. Even though I love tea, I don't have a teapot. I use like these individual bowls. Cafetera, which means coffee pot. En mi cafetera solo puedes hacer una taza de café. In my coffee pot, you can only make 1 cup of coffee. And this is the end of today's Spanish Weekly Words. I hope it was useful and you learned something with this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye, take care. Hello everyone, I'm Rosa and this is Spanish Weekly Words and I'm about to see what the theme for today is. It's famous Spain food. We have paella, which is rice with seafood. It's like orange yellow rice and it's it's typical from Valencia. It's really good. La paella se prepara en paelleras, unas sartenes muy grandes. The paella is prepared in paelleras, which are very big pans. They are very big. They are not very deep. The next one is churros, dough, and they are also like rounded, and you have them with hot chocolate. It's very typical to eat them after going out when it's 6 a.m. in the morning. Yeah, it's the best. The next one is cocido. It's kind of a stew. Yeah, it could have almost everything. No, but chickpeas normally, potatoes, some kind of meat. Yeah, maybe even chorizo. Cuando era pequeña no me gustaba nada el cocido. When I was a kid, I didn't like the cocido at all. Yeah, but my mother could make me eat it all. The next one is gazpacho, which is very typical from the south, especially during summer. When it's very hot, you can have this gazpacho. Tomato soup. It's cold and you don't really drink it like a soup. It's you have it in a glass. Tomatoes, peppers, yeah. Me encanta beber gazpacho en verano. I love drinking gazpacho in summer. My favorite. The next one is tortilla de patatas. I think they call it Spanish omelette. It's made with potatoes, sometimes onion, it depends. Some people doesn't like it. It's not a thin omelette, it's quite thick and yeah, it's super good. Cuando era alérgica al huevo, no podía comer tortilla de patatas. When I was allergic to eggs, I couldn't eat tortilla de patatas. Yeah. And yeah, this is the end of today's Spanish Weekly Words. I hope you learned something about Spanish food and I hope you get to try them. Hope you have a nice day and see you soon. Bye!
Chun, 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 chun. Yeah! Hi everyone, I'm Rosa and today we'll be doing 10 foods that will kill you faster. So let's start. Bebidas energéticas, energy drinks. La biblioteca estaba llena de latas de bebidas energéticas. The library was full of energy drinks cans. So yeah, a lot of people drink energy drinks while they are studying for their finals. I don't know, I don't really like taking them because I become so nervous that I cannot focus on what I'm studying. So yeah, in the end, it doesn't really help me. Caramelo, candy. Si comes muchos caramelos, se te caerán los dientes. If you eat a lot of candy, your teeth will fall. I love coffee candy. We call caramelo the ones that are hard. Most of the times they are wrapped in plastic, have 2 ribbons at the end. Carne procesada, processed meat. Nunca sabes lo que hay dentro de la carne procesada. You never know what's inside of processed meat. In a supermarket, the processed meat is supposed to be the lowest quality meat because they put some flavor in some things, so people don't notice that it's worse quality than the other one. What is it that they put in the meat? Comida congelada, frozen meals. Mi madre prepara muchas comidas congeladas. My mother prepares a lot of frozen meals. My mother kind of freezes everything. She works, so she makes a huge pot of whatever. She puts it in the freezer and then we can eat with that for for weeks. So I'll have some of my mother's frozen meals. Fideos instantáneos, instant noodles. En España se están haciendo famosos los fideos instantáneos. In Spain, instant noodles are getting more famous. It's true, like some years ago, you would only find ramen in these like Chinese stores. But now in every supermarket you can find ramen, and like there are Spanish brands making that. Yeah, globalization. Palomitas para microondas, microwave popcorn. Cuando voy al cine, llevo palomitas de microondas en el bolso. When I go to the cinema, I carry microwave popcorn in my bag. It's cheaper. I'm a popcorn. Patatas fritas, potato chips. Me gustan las patatas fritas sabor jamón, pero no me gusta el jamón. I like ham-flavored potato chips, but I don't like ham. Imagine like I'm eating chips and then someone is like, boom. Refresco, soda. Cuando voy a un bar siempre pido un refresco. When I go to a bar, I always order a soda. Alcohol, which is alcohol. Él bebe alcohol por la mañana, por la tarde y por la noche. He drinks alcohol in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. So a bit is okay, but just don't overdo it. Sirope, which means syrup. Me encantan las tortitas con sirope de caramelo. I love pancakes with caramel syrup. It's not very good, it's all sugars, but, well, a little bit. It's not that bad, right? So this is the end of today's 10 foods that will kill you faster. Try not to eat too much of them. You can have a bit, of course, but just don't overdo it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!